If you click this video, then you want to know what everybody wants to know. How did Anouk get that beautiful body glow at the Met Gala? I'm gonna insert it right here. This Nutrix Lancome body butter. We're gonna try this out and see how it looks. I'm just taking like a little bit. I like barely have any on my finger. I have nothing on my skin right now. Oh yeah. Now to do like a close-up of the shine that it just gave me. So I just put it on this arm. You can compare. This one's like a little dull. I don't know if you guys can really tell. Oh yeah, you can. Like when I do that, you can see the difference in how highlighted it is right here and right here. And it just makes like my collarbone pop out more, so you guys can see the difference here. Just to compare the two again. Shine, no shine. See how it's like hitting the light and just catching all of that light, and this one isn't. And it's not oily, it just looks like a glow. I want you guys to ignore the fact that it's shattered. Dropped it really hard the first day that I got it. To this packaging's credit, none of the contents actually came, and everything stayed inside because there's another container inside. It is $50 before shipping. So it's definitely on the pricier side for a body butter. The pros of this is that obviously it gives you the best results ever. This has no color. So if you get a little cream on your outfit, you can just kind of like wipe it off. It's not gonna like stain it. Like you're not gonna have to scrub it out. You can just go. And that's happened to me before. Like I've put this on before and then I kind of got it on my shirt and I would just go. And it was good as new. So I love that for this. I would say the cons of this is it is $50+ So if you're not looking to spend that much on a body butter, then I get why this isn't for you. I don't know that this is really a con so much as it is just like, I'm not gonna lie y'all, it's a little pricey. And you guys can tell me what you think. Example, I absolutely adore this product and I will be buying this for the rest of my life. I love the way it makes my arm glow. It literally catches the light. I feel rich, I feel bougie. This is fire. So if you don't already have it, you should get it. Every time I want to just pop out the house and give a little, especially for the summer, I'm about to go to Jamaica and this is coming with me because I was a little skeptical. I'm like, dang, a body glow for $50. Money well spent. Life getting in the way because that might be the same outcome if I use the other thing. But I feel like with this product, like, okay, I put it on, I'm ready to go out, I'm getting into the car, I'm in my Uber now. If I like have it here and my top like droops here and my seatbelt keeps hitting it, by the time I get there, I feel like it's already kind of like worn off. But that being said, I think it's just like your skin, you can't just keep having things rub it, because then it won't be able to do its job. Like it's kind of like lotion. Like you'll just make yourself ashy. So I'm not really sure if that's a con, but when it is on and it lasts for a pretty good amount of time, I would say, especially last time I wore it a few nights ago and I was like mindful of my seatbelt, like kind of going like this to make sure that I could like not have it rub up on me, and it actually lasted for like a good amount of the night. So I would say it lasts a pretty good amount of time and it gives the look. Like it's literally what Anouk used. So if that's not a pro, then I don't know what is. And again, the con for me, another con, I would say, this isn't necessarily a Lancome thing. This is more of a retail shopping kind of thing, an online retailer kind of thing. I got mine from Neiman Marcus online and they just sent it in like a really ghetto looking box. And I don't know, maybe like, I think my standards for like shipping are like a little high sometimes, but like for me, it kind of looked like they just took it and threw it in a box, like a brown box. And then on top of that, the box was like banged up. I know that's not necessarily their fault because, you know, it goes through transport, blah, 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 blah. It goes through transport, so they can't really control what happens to it at the post office. But my whole thing is, I just feel like that wasn't giving. Like, that's not cute. So, cons, ugly packaging, super, well, not super expensive, but definitely more on the pricey side, but for me, worth it. Pros, it lasts a long time. Like I said, worth the price because it does last forever. I've already used it like 4 so times and you can barely even tell that I like scooped out of it. Maybe more, honestly, because I think I had to like re-up in the night. and you can barely tell. Like, it looks like it's brand new. I don't know why it's not working. I'm still learning how to work this camera, but anyways, it's barely even used. Let me know if you have any other recommendations on body glow products. Do you want to try this? Do you want me to convince you to get it? Because it's given you should get it. But anywho, as always, I am so thankful for my community. Bye.